Good morning, maayong aga. Today yung ating pag-alis dito sa bahay. And kahapon, kahit paano nakapag-impake kami konti. Yung mga pwedeng malagay sa mga maliliit na boxes. And currently, it's 7:55 ng umaga. And on the way na dito yung aming packers and movers. Nasa baba na sila. So they will start packing. So maybe it will take them 3 to 4 hours na i-impake lahat ng mga gamit namin. And by 9 AM, kailangan din ni Abby umalis kasi it's Monday today. So actually, hindi siya naka-leave ngayon. Meron lang siyang kailangan gawin sa kanilang head office. You are leaving 9, Daddy, no? Then you will arrive then 10. Kasi 10 yung opening ng kanilang opisina. But it will take him 1 hour from here. Papunta dun sa kanilang opisina. So he will leave me and Mishka dito. Well, mag-i-impake yung mga packers and movers. But then, I asked Ate Gladys if available siya, if wala siyang ginagawa today. Nasamahan niya ako dito para mag-oversee yung pag-pack ng mga packers and movers, you know, for safety. Mamaya-maya, darating yan siya. And sabi, maghahanda din yan na umalis. Yung mga importante naming mga gamit, yung mga nasa maleta, tapos yung mga backpack namin, sa sasakyan na namin yun ilalagay. Humingi ako ng isang box para paglagyan ko ng mga gamit pa namin. Mishka is still sleeping and masa-shock siya. Pagising niya mamaya na yung bahay namin nakalagay na sa box. Konti na lang naman ito kasi yung iba nakpack ko na. Put Barbie on the table. We're there in the crop box. May nakikita akong dress. May dress na. Nakalimutan ko. Ready? Like personal dress. Something like jacket. Jacket, I'll keep it here. Huh?
Keep that much, only how much you can carry in car.
So this is the conclusion. Happened faster than I thought, or a lifetime with perspective, end of an era after all. So where do you go at the end of the road? Or what do you say when it's done? And how do I stand at the end of the show and say goodbye to everyone? Don't be sad because it's over. Be glad that you have something good to miss. Don't be sad because it's over. Cause you already got what you wish. Don't be sad because it's over. My friend, did you enjoy the ride? The ups and the downs that you battled through, the silent wars of life. So where do you go at the end of the night when all the chairs are stacked?
We're packing our house, love.
We're packing our things, Habibi. Time to say bye to our house.
Maiyak-iyak na kanina si Abi. Ay, nako. Is that your bag? Ready na yung anak ko nakabag. Bit-bit yung kanyang baby Jasmine. Order muna ako ng pagkain. Nag-ano din kasi nag-break time yung aming mga movers and packers. Kakain daw sila ng umagahan. 9:45 na. Sabi umalis na. Baka mga 1 daw siya makakabalik kasi 1 hour and a half yung papunta dun sa kanilang head office. Ate Gladys papunta na din. Yeah. Order muna ako ng pagkain para sa amin ni Mishka. Order lang ako kasi mato ng pagkain namin ni Mishka. Breakfast. Wash your hands na doon. Mga lorban yung sa akin. Kasi yung kay Mishka doon sa cowboy style muna kami ni Mishka. Napak mo kasi yung aming mga pinggan. Ito sa kabilang kwarto yung isang bed. Napak mo. Get down, love. Dito, tapos ko na lahat. Wala nang laman yung mga kabinetas yung sa taas. Tapos na din. Mishi, sit down. Patapos na sila dito sa room. Sa kusina. Malapit na din. Ang aming last visitor. Before kami umalis, meron kaming visitor.
Paano ba ito tanggalin?
Oy! Nag-artwork siya sila.
Artwork ka niya talaga yan.
Remembrance ni Kuya. No, it's okay. But don't open, ha? Don't open, Klein, because it's broken. Ito na yung isa sa pinakamalaki yung aming higaan. Yeah? Okay. You can play with... It's a puppet. Okay, it's bubble wrap. Ano yung isa sa pinakamalaki. Magkano per day mo dito, Mom? Magkano per day natin dito?
Manis ka. Bagus ka.
Don't put nuggets inside.
Ito yung mga kids. Takot yan. Takot yan sila ngayon sa aming ano dito. Supervisor. It's very what? Yeah, it's very big. Go eat. What? Okay. Tapos na sila sa taas, guys. Ito naman yung scooter yung babalutin. This truck ba ya? Truck na sa. Yan yung truck na paglalagyan ng aming mga gamit, guys. Oh. Feeling ko nga ang liit. Hindi ko alam if magkasya ba to.
20.
Long.
21. Okay. 21.
21.
22. 23. 24. 25.
26. This one TV. 26.
28. 29. 30. 21.
32.
TV,
32.
washing machine separate.
Oh, separate.
Ah, okay, okay.
32.
32 boxes.
Okay.
Okay. One steel cupboard. Ito yung homecoming balloons namin ni Mishka nung pinanganak siya. Tagong-tago pa talaga dun sa taas ng aming cabinet. It's time to let go. Ito na yung aming bed. Kalahati. Yung isang kalahati na sa labas na. Okay.
These are only big things.
Ito yung mga malalaki. And the dining. She's a very good sister. The why you're feeding kuya? Ay, abaw. Feed yourself also na? Oh.
Very good sister.
Yung isa, the other one is also smiling.
No, enough na, enough.
You also feed yourself, Mishi.
You eat also, honey. Honey!
Yeah. Ang sipag-sipag nilang dalawa. Naglilinis. Very good. Naglilinis o naglalaro? Uuwi na yan sila, guys. Kuya. Daddy is waiting na daan. Oy, oy, oy. Love, love na because you're going. You will leave kuya.
Kids, after niyan, dito naman kayo mag-leave.
Saan yan?
Tinin ko kasi pa.
Kay Andrea.
You are being too cold.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 days only.
She have visited so many places already.
Oh.
Ah, okay. Aba. Smile. Ah, last na nila tong pagsasama.
Hoy, lagyan mo naman ang as of
As of now. Hindi pa pala period, kama pa lang. Ay, naka-heart-heart pa.
Oh.
Oh, smile, smile, Mimi.
Sino ba talagang babae yung ano?
Daddy, look. Ah. Say goodbye to kuya na. No. Okay. Hinatid namin sa Ate Gladys and si Klein. Kasi walang nag-accept ng booking ng Uber, Ola at saka Rapido. Si Mishka umiiyak simula doon sa kanilang bahay kasi gusto niyang mag-play kay kuya. Okay. It's okay. Then you will stay here. You will play with kuya next time na. Nafe-feel niya talaga na ito yung last nilang pagkikita. It's okay. Come on. Dito sila naghahakot sa truck, guys. Oh. Ito yung truck na maghahakot ng aming mga gamit. Malaki pa naman pala sa loob. It's okay. 4 in the afternoon. Ito na lang yung natira sofa and yung aming dining table. Oh, it doesn't feel like home anymore. So empty. Aming bathroom. Okay. Wala lang natira dyan. And here's our kitchen. Say goodbye to our cooking session in this kitchen, Daddy. Wala na. Update sa aming pag-move out dito. Alas 5 na ng hapon. Inaakyat na lang nila sa truck yung mga gamit namin. Actually, we were expecting that they will be done by 1 or 2. Or iniisip nga namin if mabilis sila mga 12 tapos na dito. And then babiyahin na papuntang Madikeri. Pero it's not possible. Alas 5 na guys. And medyo marami-rami pa yung kailangan nilang iakyat sa truck. Madami-dami din pala yung gamit namin. I don't know if na-notice nyo. Hindi din kami yung palabili talaga ng mga gamit. Pero ewan ko, parang ang dami naming gamit ngayon. Or maybe because after Mishka, madami talaga kaming mga nadagdag na gamit. And hopefully, magkasya yun sa truck, guys. Kasi pinifigure out nila kung paano pagkasyahin lahat ng mga gamit namin. So, hindi pa kami makaalis-alis ngayon, though it's 5. So, napag-desisyon na namin ni Abhi na hindi ito kakayanin. Siguro 1 oras pa or more or maximum 2 hours yung pag-arrange nila sa truck na aming mga gamit. So, 7 na by then. So, sabi ni Abhi, hindi na kaya na magbiyahe pa kami 7. Darating kami doon hating gabi. So, sabi ni Abhi, magstay muna kami dito for tonight. So, kinausap ko si Sam. And since walang tao yung bahay ni Sam, and matagal niya na kaming sinasabihan, kaming mga kaibigan niya, sinasabihan niya na magstay kami doon sa bahay niya kasi walang tao. So, tonight, sabi ko na if pwede ba na doon muna kami mag-overnight stay. Pero hindi naman talaga overnight stay na overnight stay kasi until 1 AM lang kami doon, sabi ni Abhi. Kasi kailangan na niyang mag-opisina tomorrow. So, hindi siya naka-leave talaga today and tomorrow. So, kailangan niyang umabot doon bukas ng umaga ng 9 sa kanyang office. Si Mishka ngayon guys tulog. Si Abhi yung natira doon sa taas. Dino-double check niya yung mga laman ng mga cabinets. Kasi sabi niya may isa daw na na-miss na cabinet na mayroon pang mga laman ng mga baso, mga pinggan. So, buti na lang nakita niya. Nandiyan na siya. Pabalik-balik lang siya. What? What's the matter?
I will tell him to take out the plant now so we can lock the house.
Yeah. Hindi pwedeng maiwan yung aking mga plants, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ganap nila dito ngayon. Ito yung na-miss nila na isang lagayan. Oh, yung aming mga baso and bowls. Ito pa. Yan. Headboard. Yung AC. Madami-dami pa pala. They're trying to figure out how to fit all this. Sabi ko kay Abhi, medyo matagal sila kasi 3 yung nag-i-empake lang eh. Yung isa, ito siguro yung driver. Pero simula kaninang umaga, 3 lang sila yung nagpapack and yung naghahakot nito. We are done, guys. Ito na yung last na batch. Yung aking mga halaman. My gosh, ang dami pala niya. Our house. This is not as clean as when we got here. Hindi na namin kayang maglinis pa pagkatapos nito. Anyway, magbabayad din naman kami for the cleaning and painting. I will miss this house. One last glimpse. Oh, nakakaiyak naman. Utility. Our room. So hard. Ito yung tinatawag ni Mishka na Yuya room. This is Lola's room. It's clean. forgot to say goodbye. Itong cabinet na to, marami yung naghinala na yung anak namin ay mag-iigay. Oh no! See? Sabi ko na, meron pang isa. Puja items. Thank you for all the memories. Yeah, I have paid the last bill also. Na-terminate na din namin yung aming internet. Madali lang, online na lang ginagamit for payment and then termination.
Every inch.
It's like a puzzle. Puzzle. Ito na yung pinaka-last. Yung headboard ng una naming bed. That's our whole house, guys. Our whole Bangalore house. Nasa loob niyang truck na yan yung aming buong bahay. Kino-close na nila yung truck, guys. And timing lang din na in 7 minutes parating na rin yung pinadeliver ko na susi ng bahay ni Sam mula kay Andrea. So timing na timing yung pag-alis namin dito and pag-alis din ng truck. This isn't goodbye ito.
Our house is moving.
So this is the conclusion. Happened faster than I thought, or a lifetime with perspective, end of an era after all. So where do you go at the end of the road, or what do you say when it's done? And how do I stand at the end of the show and say goodbye to everyone? Don't be sad because it's over. Be glad that you have something good to miss. Don't be sad because it's over. Cause you already got what you wish. Don't be sad because it's over. My friend, did you enjoy the ride?
This is it, Francis. We're saying goodbye to our home. Our home for the last 4 years. Kanina sa loob ng bahay. Inside the house, I was not feeling this much emotions. But now, as we are going, it feels so sad.
I don't have anything to say. Just like, and one day our house is wrapped up in a truck, and from tomorrow we'll be at new place.
As we trust in God's plan. Let's go. So now we are going to Sam's house.
Yeah.
That's where we are going to stay for tonight until
Midnight.
Midnight until 1 a.m. Bye-bye parking space. Bye lift.
From Bagalkot when we shifted, it was like we were bachelors and we just got married. So not so much memories, not so many memories we had as a couple.
As a family.
As a
this
family.
one, this house is a family house for us.
From here,
Our
Ishka
first
came in our
family
life.
house. Goodbye, BM Christine. Ibigay siya para sa sweet. Thank you, Baya. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling sad.
going to come back to this area again.
Nothing is permanent.
For us, there is really nothing permanent.
Yeah.
We always
It
have
feels
to say
bad also.
goodbye. It's not our house actually, but the memories we had in that house is something. It's very special.
And Mishka is sleeping only. She didn't
Don't
know.
want to wake her up also because she will just say that I want to go
Or
my
she was
home.
asking, Daddy, where are we going? She was asking, where are we going? And she was saying, "Yes, we are going to new house."
Oops. This is where I have learned how to drive.
I have also learned how to drive.
This area.
Slowly. And the place was also like good. In 4 years,
We had no problem.
no problem. It was fun. I'll tell bye to my bike.
We'll say goodbye. We'll say goodbye siya sa kanyang barber. I'll say bye to him. Ito yung barber shop niya. Dumaan talaga siya, guys. Para mag-say goodbye kay Kuya. Punta na kami ngayon doon sa bahay ni Sam.
Dito na kami kina Sam, guys. Nagmamadali kami. Kasi si Mishka naiihi na siya.
Baby?
It's okay, it's okay. Wait. Wait.
Naglaro ko muna siya dito, guys. Para mapagod. Makatulog kami early. Mishka is enjoying Tita Sam's playground. Last na paglaro ni Mishka dito. Bago kami pumuntang Madikeri.
Ang ganda ng lighting dito sa bahay ni Sam. So today was a very tiring day, very exhausting. Today is like a roller coaster of emotions. Of course, number one na dun yung lungkot na umalis na kami dun sa bahay namin. It's not a real home, but it's the place where it has a collection of all our family memories. So it's home for us. So we are very sad leaving that house. We are also very anxious of what's waiting for us in Madikeri. And now we'll have to face the life in Madikeri. And apart from that, I don't want to end this vlog without sharing with you how thankful I am, how grateful I am, how blessed I am to have friends who are willing to help in times of need. Like today, my friends have proven me that I have people in my life whom I can depend on in times of need. They might not be my family, but they are there, willing to help me without second thought, without asking questions. So I'm thankful to them, to Ate Gladys, despite her busy schedule, her busy life. She took the time to stay with me, to help me during the packing stage. To Andrea who sent me this, Sam's house key. And most especially to Sam for letting us stay here in her house.
yeah, I'm using Tita Sam shoots. So thank you so much to them for making me feel so blessed today. And to all of you guys who's been with us from Bagal Court days and up to now that we are transferring to Madikeri. Thank you so much for all your love and support to our little family. I really appreciate all your comments and your well wishes. So thank you so much. So I'm going to end this vlog because tomorrow we are going to leave early by 2 or 2:30 in the morning. Mishi, you wanna end the vlog?
Press the button.
Please like,
Press the button.
press the button,
Press the button.
press like and subscribe.
Press the button.
See you tomorrow in Madikeri.
Press the button.
Press the button, guys. Like button, okay?
Press the button.
Good night, everybody. Now you're so heavy. Good night, everybody. Bye.
If you like my video, dislike, press the button.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.